So Anthropic just put out a new model called Opus 4.7, and apparently it's their most competent model yet. So what that means is it's also going to be their most expensive model. And in today's video, we're going to be exploring how we can run Claude Code for cheap. And I mean cheap as in completely for free. And the way we'll be doing that is by running Claude Code with locally installed models from Ollama, specifically Gemma 4. Now, if you don't already know, Gemma 4 is an open source model, and currently it's the best open source model yet. So the first thing you're going to do is come on to this platform. I'll have them linked in the description below, so you can just click them for ease. So you just come on here, and if you're on Mac, you select this. Linux, same. If you're on Windows, you might want to use PowerShell or command prompt, or if you have WSL, you could resort to using this as well. So first thing you do is you just copy this command over here. I'm using PowerShell, so I'm going to open up PowerShell like this. Once you have it opened, you simply just paste in the command to have Claude Code installed. Now I already have this installed, so I'm not going to run it. So what I'm going to do instead is this, to prove that indeed I have it. So once you have run that command, and then you run this command Claude-V, and you see this over here, it means Claude Code is successfully installed. So then you come onto this platform. This will also be in the description as well. So the first thing you do is you need to have Ollama itself installed. So that is the command over here. I think it's supposed to automatically detect which OS you are on. So if you're on Linux, it's going to change to a Linux code. I'm not so certain about that, but I'm sure it's going to be the same. So you copy this one as well, and you open PowerShell again. You simply paste it. And again, I've already run it, so I'm not going to do it again. So instead, Ollama-V like this. And once you see a version, you're good to go. So at this point, what you need to do next is to select the model. Now, we said we're going to be using Gemma 4. You could resort to any of the models on here. This is completely up to your preferences. But for efficiency and for technical prowess, I'm going to be using Gemma 4. So you come on here and you look it up. Let me just use the search engine over here. As such, yes. So as you can see, it has the cloud flag over here. It has vision. So it is multi-modal. It has a lot of capabilities. It's able to detect images, able to call tools, able to think through things, able to access audios. And you can also run it from the cloud as well. And it has a couple of versions on here which you can choose from according to what your infrastructure is able to handle. Now, the only bottleneck is the infrastructure overhead. For instance, this model over here is completely very capable. However, the size is 20 gigabytes, which is to say you're going to have this downloaded onto your personal computer. Now, if you have a lot of space, this is not going to be a problem. But for someone like me, I am currently short on storage. So instead, what I'll be doing is I'm going to be using the cloud models. So this doesn't directly install them on your machine. However, you will still be able to use it for free. So what you come on here is I'm going to copy this cloud model. If you can run this, make sure you select it. You can also choose lower models like this. This is also very good as well. But for the task at hand, I'm going to be using the cloud models. So what you do is Ollama run, and then you paste in what you copied, and then simply click enter. So it's going to completely authenticate it with your browser. And if you're not already logged into Ollama already, it's going to ask you to authenticate with your browser. So it will show you a small HTTP link over here, which you can click on or copy and paste in your browser, and it should authenticate for you. So once you're done, you should be able to run Ollama with the Gemma 4 cloud like this. So when you see this, it means it's set up properly and ready to run. So once you have this done, now we need to have it installed with Claude Code, right? So you can simply just copy the command over here like this. And since we already have Claude Code installed, let me exit out of this first. So I could just open a different one like this and close this one, and simply paste this command in here. However, we are running the cloud model, right? So we need to have the correct thing over here, which is copied again. And I'm going to clear this part and then simply paste this in here like this. So it's going to launch Claude Code with the specified model. Well, I'm not actually in a folder, so I'm just going to click yes, I trust this. And as you are seeing over here, we have Gemma 4 like this. So it's using Gemma 4. Don't worry about this conflict over here. It's practically because it was expecting a model from Anthropic and we are using Gemma, which is a totally different model. So let me just send a message in here to show you. So I just typed in short message, hi. And once it responds, I'm going to show you if it's indeed deducting the tokens from my actual account or it's using the Gemma model. So as you're seeing, the message was sent through. So let me open my Claude account and show you. So I'm going to go to analytics usage. Yes. So this should show 0 at the moment because all of the transaction triggers were completely through Gemma. So as you're seeing 0 over here, the cost as well should also say 0. So at the moment, we have Claude Code completely installed, running with our locally sourced model, which is Gemma, as you are seeing over here. So once you're done, let me just exit out of it and show you that indeed it was working with Gemma, and simply run Claude again here. Like, sorry, I misspelled it. Run Claude here again. Let me help you see it over here. So I'm running Claude again over here. Yes, I trust the folder. And as you're seeing, it has resulted back to the Opus 4.7. So every time you want to run it, you can simply just use this. I'm sure I'm going to have a script in the description that completely automizes this process. So you don't always have to be pasting the command over and over again. So you can just simply choose model next time by doing this /model and then selecting which model you'd like to use. So /model, and you could select the model that you want to use. So you'll have Gemma in below here next to Haiku. So let me know what your comments are. Let me know what your thoughts are and what you'd want to see next. And for the next tutorial, I'm going to be creating one where you can use Claude Code with Ollama models. However, you're going to be using it on the cloud. So you won't have it on your own infrastructure and you won't have to use it through Ollama's own hosted infrastructure. You'll be using it through Open Router. So make sure to subscribe and leave a comment, and as well like this video so it goes far. And don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next one.